Hey guys, it's Fem. So today I'm gonna be doing a Q&A, but it's not a normal Q&A, it is a online school Q&A. Basically, I asked you guys to ask me questions on Instagram and Twitter about online school, so I picked a few of my favorite questions and the most interesting questions, and I'm gonna answer those. If you're new to my channel, then you should totally hit the subscribe button. We're a little bit over 100 away from 7,000 subscribers, which blows my mind. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and let's just get started with the questions. First question is, do you wake up a little late because of online school, or are timings the same? No, it's definitely not the same. I wake up around 9 or 10, which I feel like is a perfect time to wake up, because when I wake up before 9, I get really grumpy, but at 9 or 10, I'm usually kind of awake. The second question is, do you get ready before starting your schoolwork, or do you do it in your pajamas? No, I don't do it in my pajamas. I normally just get ready. I don't always put on makeup, but I do always get dressed and stuff, because I feel a lot more productive, and if I don't feel productive, then I just can't start my schoolwork. Next question is, don't you miss your friends now that you don't see them in school? No, I don't really miss them, because I see them a lot outside of school. I go out with my friends basically every Saturday night, and I see them a bunch of times, like just on a normal school day, like after school obviously, and on Fridays. So no, I don't really miss them because I see them super often. The next question is, do you do your schoolwork daily? Honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I haven't been working as hard on my schoolwork as I should have been. Now that I'm uploading 2 videos a week, I'm focusing a lot on filming and editing. My course doesn't have deadlines. I just have one deadline, which is in July. So if I don't finish everything by July, I fail. Which means that I don't have to get anything done for like a specific day of the week or specific date in a month, which is good because there's like not a lot of pressure yet, but the pressure will come once it's the 1st of July and I still need to do everything. Next question is, does doing online school help you out with YouTube? It does help me out a lot. I actually have like specific filming days, specific days that I do my schoolwork, and I still have time to hang out with my friends, go to the movies, go out for lunch, and just do things that are not school or YouTube related. Because ever since I started YouTube, I've obviously been in public school, so it was always schoolwork like the entire week, and then on Saturdays and Sundays filming and editing, and like that was my week. But now I feel like I have time to spend on things that are not YouTube or school related, and it's just way better for me. And the last question is, do you prefer online school over regular school? I do now. I didn't at first. I was so used to going to public school and like being in class with my friends, and at the beginning of like this school year I was kind of like sad that I didn't go to my public school anymore. But right now I'm used to this. I have my routine, like everything is normal now, and I'm used to it, and I know when I can hang out with my friends. I know when I have to do my schoolwork. I know when I have to film. I think next year I'm gonna do 1 more year of doing online school, and then once I turn 18, I probably have to leave my town and go to some kind of college. But right now I definitely prefer online school. So those were all the questions that I'm gonna be answering. If you have any more questions about online school, feel free to ask them in the comments, because I will answer them. I will try to help you if you have any questions, if you're looking into online school. The school I'm studying at is called Open Study College, and they have so many courses, and you get like an official degree, and it's great. I love it. Courses are explained really well. You have like a tutor, so I really like it. But yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and like I said before, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And yeah, that is everything for today. I am not sure if I'm gonna upload this Wednesday, but because it's my birthday on Tuesday, so I don't know if I'm gonna have time to film. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Bye!